Hello everyone, this is a solution for the basic menu. First of all, you read the assignment and read the examples how it runs. And from the assignment, there is a choice here, so you know it is an if, elif, else statement because there are three options and the options are mutually exclusive. So if, elif, else statement works great here. Okay. Before we do the statement, there seems to be a prompt, enter this or that or that. So I'm just copy-pasting this prompt, and that will be a print statement. So here it is. Print statement done. And now if, elif, else statement. Before if, elif, else statement, I need some form of variable which will hold the choice that the user makes, because number one here, or whatever was the input here, is not really something that we know. The user will know that when the user runs the program. Alright, so I'm going to make a basic version of it, so my choice will be int input and I'll just give a prompt choice, or for clarity, your choice. And now if choice equals to 0, there will be a printing statement here. Actually, let me do that. Print elif choice equals to 1, another print statement, and elif choice equals to 2, and I need to make sure my indentations are right, so wait, and then there will be a print statement, and finally else will be a print statement invalid choice. And in order for it to work, what do I need? First of all, I need to make it a string, and I need the other two options. I can honestly copy paste. You chose this or you chose that. For choice 1 it will be coffee. For where's my choice 1? So enter that, and here you chose tea. And the last one is water. Alright, so there we go. There is a program. I believe that if it will work. I did not run it yet, which is not great. If you're a beginner, you should run your code off and see what works and what doesn't. So let me save it as basic menu 2. And here it runs. There we go. So if I choose 0, it will be tea. Now I rerun my code. If I choose 1, it will be coffee, and so on. However, your choice 1, there is your error. And the nature of this error, invalid literal for integer with base 10, 1. So my code takes input from the user, then converts it to integer, and then works with this choice variable equal to integer. So when my input is not an integer, but rather a word 1, then it runs into trouble. And the key idea here is that you really don't have to have your variable converted to an integer, because nowhere in my code I actually used the fact that those were integers. I did not add them, subtract them, or do anything else with them. So let's get rid of this. We don't need to convert to an integer, but now we have to make this strings too. So string 1 and string 2. And that is the ultimate, cleaned up code that will work no matter what I throw at it. Let's check. For 0 it works. Let's rerun it. For abracadabra, whatever I enter here, it says invalid choice, which was my intention. And that's the whole story.